Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use your my subscription option, how you can manage that, how you can buy any subscription from the marketplace of the WooCommerce website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the WooCommerce website, and after that we have to open our account. And after opening the account, you can also click on this profile icon, and after that you have to go to the dashboard section. And after going to the dashboard section, you will get the my subscription option here. And then if you would have any kind of active subscription, you will be able to get that here. So we are going to the marketplace. We have to click on the marketplace, and after clicking on the marketplace, you will be redirected there. And if you want to any buy any kind of extension, if you want to any kind of feature, you can also do that. So let's see what we are getting. So as you can see, now we are on the marketplace. Now you have to choose that which one you want to buy. As you can see, B2B, company, credit, and permission for WooCommerce, product info, blogs for WooCommerce, export, reports, and analytics. As you can see, these all are the free download. And for this, you have to pay $49 annually. For this, you have to pay $49 annually. And these both are free for WooCommerce. So as you can see, for this, you have to pay the $109 annually. So the all options are here, shipping tracking. So now you have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, I'm going to use these free downloads. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, it will be opened. So as you can see, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the add to store, and it will be added in our store. If you want to add to cart, you can't add this because it's currently free. What you will get with this, as you can see now, these all things are mentioned here. If you want to watch the tutorial, you can also do that. You will click on this and you will get the information that how you can use this, about this all details. So as you can see, now what we have to do, we have to click on the add to store, and it will be added in our store. So in this way, you can use the marketplace option. In this way, you can manage your subscription on the WooCommerce website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.